it is said that we have to find the length of the side of the square whose area is 441 meter square. The shape is given that is square and they have given the area of square. So students, we know what is the formula to find out the area of square. Yes, that's right. So area of square is side square. So here they have given the area is 441 meter square. It's side square. To find out the length of the side, we know that we have to do the square root of 441. So we will obtain the side. Now the square root you can find out by any method. You can go for the prime factorization method or the method which we have just discussed in the previous videos, that is a division method. So let's go for the division method. Students, it is not compulsory that you have to use division method only. You can go for the prime factorization method. आपको square root जरूर मिल जाएगा. So let us do that. हम इसको long division से कर रहे हैं. So let's make a pair as there are two numbers, 3 digits. Yes. As it is 4, so we'll got 2 2s are 4. It's 0 plus 2, it's 4. Let us carry the pair, that becomes 41. As it is 4, we require 41. Obviously 41 ones are 41. So it comes to 0 here, plus 1, so it is 42. So we will obtain the square root of 441 is 21. So therefore we can say that 21 meter is the side of given square. It's quite easy. Thank you. Let's see one of the very important question of this exercise. It is given that in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B which is right angle, side AB which is given 6, BC which is given 8, and AC we have to find out. So students, if you recall that in the previous exercise or not the 6.2, we have done one Pythagorean triplets. So the Pythagorean triplets used for the find out the third side of a right angle triangle. तो हम यहाँ पे वही यूज करने वाले हैं. सबसे पहले we have to check that which is the right angle B. So the opposite side of B, मतलब AC को हम hypotenuse बोलेंगे. It is said as hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras, we can write that जो भी हाइपोटेनियस है उसका स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनियस, जो हाइपोटेनियस है उसका स्क्वायर, वो बाकी के जो दो साइड्स है दैट इज ए बी एंड बी सी, उसके स्क्वायर का एडिशन होगा. अगेन आई टेल यू वन मोर टाइम. You should remember this is very important and it will be useful for the further studies also. It is useful for standard 9, 10, even for the further studies. So what is Pythagoras? That means we can say the rule. It can be used only for the right angle triangle and to find out any of the side of a triangle. So it is always we should know that which is the right angle. As B is a right angle, so the opposite side of that is called hypotenuse. As B is right angle, so AC is hypotenuse. तो Pythagoras rule क्या है? हम hypotenuse का स्क्वायर करेंगे. स्क्वायर ऑफ द hypotenuse is equals to जो बाकी के दो साइड बचे AB और BC, उसके स्क्वायर का एडिशन होगा. So let us see that AB we have that is 6 and BC we have that is 8. The square of 6 that is 36 and square of 8 that is 64. So you can say that AC square that is 100. We know that 100 is a square of, हम जब इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि it is a square of 10. So when we do the square root both the sides, we will obtain AC. AC कैसे किया? I have done the square root both the sides, so power cut हो गए. So AC become 10. So thus we can do the rest of the sums also. Let's do one more question. In this question you can see that AC is given, but AB we have to find out. So again, this is the right angle triangle. We have to find out one of the sides, so obviously we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So we can write according to Pythagoras, as I explain you in the previous question, जो भी हाइपोटेनियस है उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे, बाकी के जो दो साइड्स है ए बी और बी सी उसके स्क्वायर का एडिशन होगा. दिस इज फिक्स्ड. रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर कोई एंगल राइट एंगल चेंज हो जाएगा, अगर बी की जगह ए राइट एंगल हो जाएगा, सो रिमेंबर हाइपोटेनियस विल बी डिफरेंट. तो हमें ये याद नहीं रखना है ए सी स्क्वायर इज ए बी स्क्वायर. नो, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द अदर टू साइड्स. हाइपोटेनियस का स्क्वायर बाकी के जो दो साइड है उसके स्क्वायर के एडिशन जितना होगा. वी हैव AC, so let's substitute that value 13. AB हमें ढूंढना है and BC that is 5. We know the square of 13 is 169. AB square we have to find out as it is and square of 5 is 25. I will take this 25 left hand side क्योंकि मुझे AB ढूंढना है. हम AB इसीलिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नहीं लेंगे कि वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. So that is why. So the subtraction of this two is 144. So students, again we know that it is a square of 12. अगर आपको ओरली नहीं आ रहा तो you can go for the prime factorization or long division or division method. हम कोई भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं, but as we know that it is a square of 12, so we will remove the square from both the sides, so hence we will obtain the answer. So we can say that AB is equals to 12 centimeter. Remember students, this kind of questions can come into the exams. This is the second question. I hope it is quite easy and understand by you. Thank you.